Hi guys, Andrew here, Urban Automotive, Beaufort, Ontario, Canada. Welcome back to our channel. Back into this Ford 3.5 liter EcoBoost, in which we're doing timing chains and the updated phasers. As you can see, the old design phaser has the old, almost looks like a clock spring. That'll bring it back to its dead center position. These are the updated ones here. Like I said, this one here has phaser rattle, especially on startup. And you know, this one's got about 250,000 kilometers on it. Right now we just got the one bank chain disabled. We're going to be getting onto this one here, changing the phasers as well as the chain guides and tensioners. This one here, particularly on startup, rattle, noisy, even while driving kind of thing. As you see, we got everything apart here. We're going to be putting in new valve cover gaskets and all that, as well as resealing the front timing cover and all that. You can see all the plumbing and all that that's come off. Great big mess. And then we'll get back to you on the engine startup once this thing's all set and ready to go. Urban Automotive, safety first. Hi guys, back to our channel. Back on these phasers here, we just installed these and torqued them down properly. These bolts here are torque to yield bolts, and Ford recommends they be replaced after every installation. So these are fresh, blow the hole out of all the oil and all that, line them up on the pin. There's a special torque sequence for these, 30 foot-pounds initially, back it off a turn, 18 foot-pounds, and then another 150 degrees. Very important for these. Also good tech tip, so these don't back out, because these do have the lock pins on the back here. Touch a Loctite here on the bolts, so they have no chance of backing out. Just a little extra safety measure there, so your work doesn't come apart. And we're gonna get this all cleaned up and get the chains lined up and ready to go. Urban Automotive, safety first. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back here with the 3.5 EcoBoost F-150. We've got the updated phasers installed here, and as well as our timing chains, new timing chains. All the marks are lined up. Fresh tensioners, fresh guides, fresh everything, ready to go. Now this 3.5, there's different variations of this engine. This one here has the two timing chains run off the crank sprocket. Others will have a single chain going around to intake sprockets, as well as the auxiliary chains, which will run the exhaust cams. They will have their own tensioners here with the shoes and hydraulic tensioners. Yeah, different variations, basically all the same principle on this. And we'll get back to you when we're getting ready to fire this thing up, get it run. Urban Auto, safety first. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We got the 2018 F-150 EcoBoost edition here, the 3.5 liter. As you can see, the progress we've made on, the valve covers are back on it, the timing cover is back on it, and the intake plenum is back on it. Everything is sealed, new seals, silicone on the timing cover. We've run a couple pair of new belts there. Water pump gaskets, obviously you want to make sure in doing this correctly that you're not going to be running into additional leaks after re-and-re-ing this multiple times there. So we take care and we put in new seals and all that, and we take care of it. You guys will wonder why sometimes things cost so much here. Like, this is fairly labor intensive. It is straightforward, but there is an awful lot of stuff that has to get out of the way. Like, this is just the basic engine here. You'll see in our next part of our series the charge pipes, as this is a twin turbo, charge pipes, intercooler pipes, rat hoses, everything. It is quite a bit of spaghetti in here, but you guys will get the gist of it. And yeah, Urban Automotive, safety first. On. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Last part of the F-150 3.5 EcoBoost project, and we got it all together, all the plumbing, all the hoses, everything. Like, it's a fair bit of work. You gotta try to remember what you gotta take it apart, where it goes, make sure it's all routed right so nothing's kinked. And yeah, we're gonna fire it up for the first time here. Sounds pretty smooth. I think we're alright with that. We'll give it a quick little shampoo, cycle it all, make sure we get all the air out of the cooling system, and get this customer back on their way. Urban Auto, Safety First.